available updates. Let's check just now. Estimated 1 hour 32 minutes. Install. Install all. And now it's updating right there. Accept. Click. And then important installation take few hours. Do not unplug the computer. Continue. Okay. And now preparing software update. There. Bella's Navigaga. You will need to restart your Novi 1350. You got the new. Right, Bella? Bella, are you okay? Your navigator got a new maps already. Updated map. Right now? Alright, Bella. Let me just finish this one. It's almost done. Uploading. Right there. Don't disconnect. Remaining. Step 2 of 4. Restart your Novi. Once you finish the software, you need to restart your device. Unplug your device from the computer. After 5 seconds, plug your device back to the computer, your device, and apply the software. Device does not power the few seconds, press the power button. Alright. What we're gonna do right now, start loading, software loading right now. It's loading. After I unplug for 5 seconds, and then restart. That's unplug your device and then 5 seconds. When device power up, let software update. Loading. Alright. And now it restarts. So now from software it goes to restart. Check software.